Welcome back to Cars Info Point, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, fresh updates, and honest opinions. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that blends refinement, practicality, and modern tech in a premium package. The 2026 Mazda CX-9. If you're considering a family SUV that doesn't sacrifice driving excitement, this is a review you don't want to miss. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Mazda CX-9 takes the brand's Kato design philosophy even further, looking more elegant and aggressive than ever. From the sculpted hood to the bold front grille and sleek LED headlights, this SUV commands presence on the road. The updated taillights and chrome accents give it a sophisticated edge, while the optional 21-inch alloy wheels add just the right amount of sportiness. It's a perfect balance of executive luxury and modern family practicality. Under the hood, Mazda keeps things exciting. The 2026 CX-9 comes powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 280 horsepower and 320 pounds-ft of torque. It's paired with a refined 8-speed automatic transmission, and yes, Mazda's i-Active all-wheel drive system comes standard in most trims. The acceleration is surprisingly brisk for a 3-row SUV, and the handling? Simply put, it's best in class. Mazda's signature driving dynamics shine through with crisp steering and a well-tuned suspension that keeps the ride both engaging and comfortable inside the cabin. The 2026 CX-9 continues to impress. Premium materials are found throughout soft touch surfaces, real aluminum accents, and available Nappa leather seats make the interior feel genuinely upscale. The new 12.3-inch infotainment screen is intuitive, sharp, and finally offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a redesigned digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch. While a premium Bose sound system delivers crystal-clear audio for every passenger, the CX-9 is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with functionality too. With 3 rows of seating, it comfortably accommodates 7 passengers. The second row captain's chairs option adds a level of luxury, while third-row access is improved thanks to wider door openings and sliding seats. Cargo space is competitive, and with the third row folded flat, you get a generous amount of room for road trips or shopping hauls. Safety-wise, Mazda equips the 2026 CX-9 with its i-Active Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. A new addition is the 360-degree camera system with improved resolution, making parking in tight spaces much easier. To wrap it up, the 2026 Mazda CX-9 is a near-perfect blend of elegance, performance, and practicality. It proves that you don't have to settle for boring just because you need a family SUV. With its refined styling, engaging drive, and upscale interior, it stands out as one of the top choices in its segment. Thanks for watching this review on Cars Info Point. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new CX-9. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.